Alright, what a lovely morning. It's Sunday, it's about 7 o'clock in the morning, and it's just coming out of Littlehampton, or coming up to Littlehampton Harbour and the launch ramp, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Got my fishing stuff on. Don't know what I'm going to catch yet. I'm going to try and head out to West Ditch and see how we go. I'll come back to you when we get out of the harbour and get going. Right, we've arrived at Kingmere about 30 minutes later. Got the anchor down, and you can see there's quite a lot of boats out here now, charter boats as well. So we're going to start baiting up and get some rods, get some bait down. So we get on. Alright, I've got a squid, so I'll try and do this one hand. You can see I've got about a 6, 7, 8 ounce lead weight, and I've got a bit of calamari squid on there. So I'm going to let this down and see what we've got. I'll turn the clicker off because it'll drive you crazy. So we're going to fish on the bottom, and hopefully there's black bream out there or something better. A bit of slack out, put the drag on, and then so it's knocking on there already. I don't know if it's crab or bream attacking it, but I think I might need to go for a smaller hook for the black bream. They're quite aggressive bites. You tend to knock in more when you lift off the bottom, and that's why I think it could be bream, but it's nothing very big that's just going to take it or swim off with it. Now it's gone quiet. Right, I'm going to leave that down now. I'm not going to set up another rod. I'm going to put small hooks on there because it does feel like bream, so they're very violent attacks on the bait. So I'll come back to you in a minute. I'll get the other hook in and on the other line down now. Right, I'm going to go on. I've got a small hook on there. I've got it's like I call it a shore rig, but it's probably like two probably #1 hooks on there, and little bits of squid and a small weight. I got a light sort of spinning rod, so I'm going to try and let this out slowly with one hand. There's the old fisheries boat there. Right, as you can see, there's a lot more boats out here now on this gorgeous day, but these bites are coming when it hits the bottom, and then they come straight away, and they are bream. So watch this space a minute. So as soon as they're going down there, they're nearly hitting it straight away. And with the black bream, I think if you keep lifting it now and again and just bounce off the bottom, that just gets them excited. But I say you should see it start rat-tat-tat in a minute. They're quite aggressive bites of bream, and they're good little fighting fish as well. I did catch one off camera. It's in there, probably about £1.5 in weight, and hopefully we should get straight into another one. Here we go, look. So it's a real big shudder light on the rod tip. There you go, see that? Yeah, here you go again. Might even have a fish on there. No. They do strip the bait, you have to keep checking the bait, they'll strip it in like minutes. They got tiny little teeth, they go again, look. What it do is just to take the bait and swim off of it, or just take it all in their mouth. They've only got a very small mouth really, but it's still down there, look. Here we go again. And so just lift up a little bit, drop it down, let the weight hit the floor on the seabed, and then rat tat tat, they come back again. Again. It's possible I've put too big a bait on there. As I said, I've only got small mouths, you only need just a slight slither on there. Yep, I've got one. There goes, look. A lovely fighting fish. Right, let's see if I can put this down or something, wind it and keep on. This is awkward. I need to get my chest. So see if I can put it in there. I can hold it better. I say they're not massive fish. You can get up to about 4 or 5 pounds. But they're very nice eating fish, and for light tackle they're really good fighting fish as well. I need to get a chest mounted cam ready, don't I? Come on, look at that, look, let's bend it well. There we go. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a wrasse. That's a nice size little wrasse. Right. Just don't drop your phone in the water. Up she comes. There. Right, I'm gonna unhook him, put him back. Right, got a double hook there. Nice size bream. So it's a double hook system. And get them out. It'll be that easy. But that one is a lovely size bream. It was hard to tell whether it was just fighting hard or whether it's because it was size. I'm a bit of a coward. I'm going to pick this one up with a cloth because So now it's going to stick me. It's beautiful. Look at the beautiful colours on it. See if I can get it up. Wow. Beautiful colours, almost like a mackerel. So that's got to go probably close to £2, I reckon. 2 and a bit pound. But a lovely size. Right, I'm going to go and unhook him, get the other one unhooked. That's going to end up on the plate, that one. That's going to be catch and cook.